Hi, I'm Jeff Hamilton, Application Solutions Manager at Goulston Storrs. We're a Boston, New York, and DC based law firm with about 430 people and 250 attorneys. You know, one of the challenges that we had while we were evaluating case management solutions was a big initiative that we've been focused on to move everything to the cloud. Our existing solution was old. We were evaluating these contracts, and we thought, you know, Opus 2 really checked off the boxes that we had for SaaS solution, good function and feature set for our users, and that's ultimately why we chose that. The pro tip that I would have for anyone that's evaluating case management systems and solutions would be to have these conversations with your practice group. Sit down with your litigators, sit down with your practice group co-chairs, the leader of that group, or leaders of that group, and ask the questions of what are your current pain points. I know sometimes there's a tendency to, you know, let the attorneys be. They've got billable hours and goals that they're trying to do, but ask them those questions. Where are you spending a lot of your time? What frustrates you the most? And, you know, find that solution that fits those needs. To a firm that's just starting with Opus 2 and implementing the solution and trying to drive adoption, I would suggest, meet with your users, spend a little time face to face, try to get some excitement before you go live with the solution. One of the things we did that I think is really going to help us out with everything on adoption is operating a proof of concept for a period of time. Getting a percentage of your practice group already using it with some active cases really spreads the message, really gets that excitement going, and will help you with adoption.